ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ चतुर्दशोऽध्यायः। गुणत्रयविभागयोगः। श्रीभगवानुवाच परं भूयः प्रवक्ष्यामि ज्ञानानां ज्ञानमुत्तमम् यज्ञात्वा मुनयः सर्वे परां सिद्धिमितो गताः। Shri Bhagavan, the Supreme Lord, Uvacha said, Param, Supreme, Bhuyaha, once again, Pravakshyami, I shall explain, Jnananam, of all knowledge, Jnanam, knowledge, Uttamam, the best, Yat, which, Jnatva, having known, Munayaha, the sages or Munis, Sarve, all, Param, the highest, Siddhim, perfection, bliss or goal, Itaha, from here, Gataha, have attained. Idang jnanamupashritya mama sadharmyamagataha sarge pinopajayante pralayena vyathanti cha. Idam, this, jnanam, wisdom, upashritya, taking refuge in or abiding in, mama, my, sadharmyam, the same nature, agataha, having arrived at, sarge, at the time of creation, api, even, na, not, upajayante, are born, pralaye, at the time of dissolution, na, not, vyathanti, are disturbed, cha, also. Mama yonir mahad brahma tasmin garbhan dadhamyaham sambhava sarva bhutanam tato bhavati bharata. Mama, my, yonihi, womb, mahat brahma, the great prakriti or the total material substance, tasmin, in that, garbham, seed, dadhami, give or place, aham, I, sambhavaha, birth or origin, sarva, all, bhutanam, of beings, tataha, thereby, bhavati, become, bharata, O Arjuna, descendant of Bharata. Sarva yonishu kaunteya मूर्तयः सम्भवन्ति याः तासां ब्रह्ममहद्योनिः अहं बीजप्रदः पिता Sarva, all yonishu, in wombs or species of life, Kaunteya, O Arjuna, the son of Kunti, Murtayaha, forms, Sambhavanti, come into existence, Yaha, whatever, Tasam, of all of them, Brahma, Prakriti, or the total material substance, Mahat, great, Yonihi, womb or the source of birth, Aham, I am, Bija, seed, Pradaha, giving, Pita, father. Knowledge of the divine wisdom of the self leads the seeker to become one with the Supreme Lord. Such divine souls are liberated forever from the cycles of birth and death. All universal manifestation is the reflection of the union of the Lord's material nature with the soul. Indeed, Prakriti is the womb on which individual souls manifest as willed by the Supreme Lord. The Supreme Lord said, I shall once again explain to you the supreme knowledge, the best of all knowledge, having known which all the sages have attained the highest perfection. Taking refuge in this wisdom and thus having arrived at my nature, one is neither born at the time of creation nor does one get disturbed at the time of dissolution. My womb is the great Prakriti, and in that I place the seed. Thereby all beings come into existence, O descendant of Bharata. O son of Kunti, whatever forms come into existence in all species of life, the great Prakriti is the source of birth of all of them, and I am the seed-giving father. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Param Bhuyah Pravakshyami Jnananang Jnanamuttamam Yajñātvā Munayas Sarve Param Siddhimito Gataha. Idang jnanamupashritya mama sadharmyamagataha sarge pinopajayante pralayena vyathanti cha. Mama yonirmahad brahma Tasmin garbhan dadhamyaham Sambhavas sarva bhutanam Tato bhavati bharata. Sarva yonishu kaunteya Murtaya sambhavanti yaha Tasam brahma mahadyonihi aham bija pradah pita. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. अथ चतुर्दशोऽध्यायः गुणत्रयविभागयोगः. श्रीभगवानुवाच परं भूयः प्रवक्ष्यामि ज्ञानानां ज्ञानमुत्तमम् उत्तमम् यज्ञात्वा मुनयः सर्वे परां सिद्धिमितो गताः। इदं ज्ञानमुपाश्रित्य मम साधर्म्यमागताः सर्गेऽपि नोपजायन्ते प्रलये न व्यथन्ति च। मम योनिर्महद्ब्रह्मा तस्मिन् गर्भं दधाम्यहम् सम्भवः सर्वभूतानां ततो भवति भारत। सर्वयोनिषु कौन्तेय मूर्तयः सम्भवन्ति याः तासां ब्रह्ममहद्योनिः अहं बीजप्रदः पिता। सत्वं रजस्तम इति गुणाः प्रकृतिसम्भवाः निबध्नन्ति महाबाहो देहे देहिनमव्ययम्। Sattvam, mode of goodness, Rajaha, mode of passion, Tamaha, mode of inertia or ignorance, Iti, these, Gunaha, qualities, Prakriti, material nature, Sambhavaha, born of, Nibadhnanti, bind fast, Mahabaho, O Arjuna, the mighty armed one, Dehe, in the body, Dehinam, the embodied, Avyayam, imperishable. Tatra sattvan nirmalatvat prakashakamanāmayam sukha sangena badhnati jnana sangena chanagha. Tatra, amongst these, sattvam, sattva or the mode of goodness, nirmalatvat, being the purest, prakashakam, illuminating or enlightening, anamayam, free from disease or evil reactions, sukha, happiness, sangena, by attachment or association to, badhnati, binds, jnana, knowledge, sangena, by attachment to, cha, and anagha, O Arjuna, the sinless one. Rajo ragatmakam viddhi trishna sanga samudbhavam tannibadhnati kaunteya कर्म संगेन देहिनम्। Rajaha, rajas or the mode of passion, raga atmakam of the nature of attachment, vidhi, no, trishna, desire or thirst, sangha, association, samudbhavam, produced of or giving rise to, tat, it, nibadhnati, binds fast, kaunteya, O Arjuna, the son of Kunti, karma sangena, by the longing for action, dehinam, the embodied. Tamastvajnanajam vidhi, mohanam sarvadehinam, pramaadalasya nidrabhihi, tannibadhnati bharata, tamaha, tamas or the mode of inertia, tu and ajnanajam, born of ignorance, vidhi, no, mohanam, deluding, sarvadehinam, all embodied beings, pramada, negligence, alasya, laziness, nidrabhihi, sleep, tat, it, nibadhnati, binds fast, bharata, O Arjuna, the descendant of Bharata. Sattvam sukhe sanjayati, rajah karmani bharata, jnanamavritya tu tamaha, pramade sanjayatyuta, Sattvam, sattva or the mode of goodness, sukhe, to happiness, sanjayati, attaches, rajaha, rajas or the mode of passion, karmani, to actions, bharata, O Arjuna, the descendant of Bharata, jnanam, knowledge, avritya, having covered, tu, while, tamaha, tamas or the mode of ignorance, pramade, to delusion, sanjayati, binds, uta, indeed. The three gunas arise from material nature that binds the soul to the body. Sattva guna, although illuminating, binds it by creating attachment to happiness and knowledge. Rajo guna is the source of desire and attachment. It binds the soul to material existence and action. Tamo guna is born of ignorance and results in delusion, binding the individual to negligence, laziness, and excessive sleep. O mighty armed one, Sattva, Rajas and Tamas, these qualities which are born of material nature bind fast the imperishable embodied self to the perishable body. Amongst these, Sattva is the purest, enlightening and free from evil reactions, but it still binds the embodied self by attachment to happiness and knowledge, O sinless one. O son of Kunti, know Rajas to be of the nature of attachment, giving rise to desire and association. It binds fast the embodied self by the longing for action. And know Tamas to be born of ignorance, the deluder of all embodied beings. It binds fast the embodied self by negligence, laziness and sleep, O descendant of Bharata. O descendant of Bharata, Sattva binds one to happiness, Rajas to actions, and Tamas by indeed covering knowledge binds to delusion. सत्वं रजस्तम इति गुणाः प्रकृतिसम्भवाः निबध्नन्ति महाबाहो देहे देहिनमव्ययम्। तत्र सत्त्वन्निर्मलत्वात् प्रकाशकमनामयम् सुखसङ्गेन बध्नाति ज्ञानसङ्गेन चानघा। रजो रागात्मकं विद्धि तृष्णासङ्गसमुद्भवम् तन्निबध्नाति कौन्तेय कर्मसङ्गेन देहिनम्। तमस्त्वज्ञानजं विद्धि मोहनं सर्वदेहिनां प्रमादालस्य निद्राभिः तन्निबध्नाति भारत। सत्वं सुखे संजयति रजः कर्मणि भारत ज्ञानमावृत्य तु तमः प्रमादे संजयत्युत। ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ चतुर्दशोऽध्यायः गुणत्रयविभागयोगः। सत्वं रजस्तम इति गुणाः प्रकृतिसम्भवाः निबध्नन्ति महाबाहो देहे देहिनमव्ययम्। तत्र सत्त्वन्निर्मलत्वात् प्रकाशकमनामयम् सुखसङ्गेन बध्नाति ज्ञानसङ्गेन चानघा। रजो रागात्मकं विद्धि तृष्णासङ्गसमुद्भवम् तन्निबध्नाति कौन्तेय कर्मसङ्गेन देहिनम्। तमस्त्वज्ञानजं विद्धि मोहनं सर्वदेहिनां प्रमादालस्य निद्राभिः तन्निबध्नाति भारत। सत्वं सुखे संजयति रजः कर्मणि भारत ज्ञानमावृत्य तु तमः प्रमादे संजयत्युत। रजस्तमश्चाभिभूय सत्वं भवति भारत। रजसत्त्वं तमश्चैव तमस्सत्त्वं रजस्तथा Rajaha, rajas or the mode of passion, tamaha, tamas or the mode of ignorance, cha and abhibhuya predominates, sattvam, sattva or the mode of goodness, bhavati become, bharata, O Arjuna, the descendant of Bharata, rajaha, rajas, sattvam, sattva, tamaha, tamas, cha and eva likewise tamaha, tamas, sattvam, sattva, rajaha, rajas, tatha, so also. Sarvadvareshu dehesmin prakasha upajayate ज्ञानं यदा तदा विद्यात् विवृद्धं सत्त्वमित्युता सर्व every द्वारेषु through the gates, dehe in body, asmin this, prakashah illumination, upajayate arises or shines, jnanam knowledge, yada when, tada then, vidyat no, vivruddham is being predominant, sattvam sattva or the mode of goodness, iti thus, uta indeed. लोभः प्रवृत्तिरारम्भः कर्मणामशमस्पृहा रजस्येतानि जायन्ते विवृद्धे भरतर्षभा लोभः greed, pravrittiः activity, arambhah endeavor or the undertaking, karmanam of actions, ashamah restlessness, spriha craving, rajasi rajas or the mode of passion, etani these, jayante develop, vivruddhe when predominates, bharatarshapha O Arjuna, best of the Bharatas. Aprakasho pravrittischa pramado moha evacha तमस्येतानि जायन्ते विवृद्धे कुरु नन्दना अप्रकाशः darkness or ignorance, अप्रवृत्तिः inertness, cha and pramadah negligence, moha delusion, eva indeed, cha also tamasi, tamas or the mode of ignorance, etani, these, jayante, arise, vivruddhe, when predominates, Kurunandana, O Arjuna, the son of Kuru. The gunas influence the individual's nature based on external circumstances and internal predisposition. When sattva dominates, the individual is illumined by knowledge. When rajas is predominant, the individual is overpowered by greed, restlessness, and an urge to perform actions to satisfy cravings. With tamas, the individual is bound by ignorance and deluded thinking, resulting in negligence, laziness, and sleep. Sometimes sattva predominates over rajas and tamas. Likewise, sometimes rajas over sattva and tamas. So also sometimes tamas over sattva and rajas. When all gates of the body, the senses, are illumined by knowledge, know that to be the manifestation of sattva being predominant. Greed, fruitive activity, the undertaking of actions, restlessness and craving, these develop when rajas predominates, O best of the Bharatas. Ignorance, inertness, negligence and delusion, these arise when tamas predominates, O son of Kuru. Rajas tamaschabhibhuya sattvam bhavati bharata. Rajas sattvam tamascaiva tamas sattvam rajas tatha. Sarvadvareshu dehesmin prakasha upajayate. Jnanam yada tada vidyat vivruddham sattvamityuta. Lobhav pravrittirarambhaha karmanamasamasspruha. Rajasyetani jayante vivruddhe bharatarshabha. Aprakasho pravrittischa pramado moha evacha. Tamasyetani jayante vivruddhe kuru nandana. Om Shri Paramatmane Namaha. Atha Chaturdashodhyayaha Gunatraya Vibhaga Yogaha. Rajas tamaschabhibhuya sattvam bhavati bharata. Rajas sattvam tamascaiva tamas sattvam rajas tatha. Sarvadvareshu dehesmin prakasha upajayate. Jnanam yada tada vidyat vivruddham sattvamityuta. Lobhav pravrittirarambhaha karmanamasamasspruha. Rajasyetani jayante vivruddhe bharatarshabha. अप्रकाशो प्रवृत्तिश्च प्रमादो मोह एव च तमस्येतानि जायन्ते विवृद्धे कुरु नन्दन। यदा सत्त्वे प्रवृद्धे तु प्रलयं याति देहभृत् तदोत्तमविदां लोकान् अमलान् प्रतिपद्यते। Yada, when sattva or the mode of goodness, pravriddhe, having become predominant, tu, indeed, pralayam, death, yati, goes or meets, dehabhrit, the embodied one, tada, then, uttama vidam, of the knowers of the Supreme, lokan, worlds or abodes, amalan, pure or taintless, pratipadyate, attains. रजसि प्रलयं गत्वा कर्मसङ्गिषु जायते तथा प्रलीनस्तमसि मूढयोनिषु जायते। Rajasi, in Rajas or the mode of passion, Pralayam, death, Gatva, having attained, Karma Sangishu, among those attached to actions, Jayate, takes birth, Tatha, similarly, Pralinaha, dying, Tamasi, in Tamas or the mode of ignorance, Moodha Yonishu, in womb of ignorant beings or in animal species, Jayate, takes birth. Karmana sukrutasyahuhu सात्विकं निर्मलं फलम् रजसस्तु फलं दुःखम् अज्ञानं तमसः फलम्। Karmanaha, of action, Sukritasya, of good, Ahuhu, it is said, Satvikam, Satvik, Nirmalam, pure, Phalam, result, Rajasaha, of Rajas, Tu, while, Phalam, result, Dukham, pain or misery, Ajnanam, ignorance, Tamasaha, of Tamas, Phalam, result. सत्त्वात् संजायते ज्ञानम् रजसो लोभ एव च प्रमादमोहौ तमसो भवतो ज्ञानमेव च Satvat, from sattva, sanjayate, arises, jnanam, true knowledge, rajasaha, from rajas, lobhaha, greed, eva, verily, cha, and pramada, negligence, mohav, delusion, tamasaha, from tamas, bhavataha, arise, ajnanam, ignorance, eva, verily, cha, and ऊर्ध्वं गच्छन्ति सत्त्वस्था मध्ये तिष्ठन्ति राजसाः जघन्यगुणवृत्तिस्था अधो गच्छन्ति तामसाः ऊर्ध्वम upward, गच्छन्ति go, sattvasthaha those established in sattva, madhye in the middle, tishthanti stay, rajasaha those in rajas, jaghanya abominable or the lowest, guna quality, vrittisthaha entrenched in the acts of, adhaha down, gachanti go, tamasaha those in tamas. One's deeds when alive influence the soul's eventual destination after an individual's death. The pure ones with sattva guna, having performed meritorious deeds during their lifetime, attain the higher realms to experience higher knowledge and wisdom. Those with a predominance of rajoguna, prone to desires and attachment, are reborn into families to pursue a life of greed and passion. The ones bound by tamoguna, having led a life of ignorance and sloth, are relegated to lower life forms after rebirth. When the embodied one meets death with predominance of sattva, one attains the pure abodes of the knowers of the Supreme. Having attained death in predominance of rajas, the one takes birth among those attached to actions. Similarly, dying in tamas, one takes birth in animal species. It is said that the result of good action is sattvic and pure, while the result of rajas is misery and the result of tamas is ignorance. From sattva arises true knowledge, from rajas arises greed, and from tamas arise negligence, delusion, and ignorance. Those established in sattva go upward, those in rajas stay in the middle, and those in tamas, entrenched in the acts of the lowest quality, go downward. यदा सत्त्वे प्रवृद्धे तु प्रलयं याति देहभृत् तदोत्तमविदां लोकान् अमलान् प्रतिपद्यते. रजसि प्रलयं गत्वा कर्मसङ्गिषु जायते तथा प्रलीनस्तमसि मूढयोनिषु जायते. कर्मणः सुकृतस्याहुः सात्विकं निर्मलं फलम् रजसस्तु फलं दुःखम् अज्ञानं तमसः फलम्. सत्त्वात् संजायते ज्ञानम् रजसो लोभ एव च प्रमादमोहौ तमसो भवतो ज्ञानमेव च। ऊर्ध्वं गच्छन्ति सत्त्वस्था मध्ये तिष्ठन्ति राजसाः जघन्यगुणवृत्तिस्था अधो गच्छन्ति तामसाः। ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ चतुर्दशोऽध्यायः गुणत्रयविभागयोगः। यदा सत्त्वे प्रवृद्धे तु प्रलयं याति देहभृत् तदोत्तमविदां लोकान् अमलान् प्रतिपद्यते। रजसि प्रलयं गत्वा कर्मसङ्गिषु जायते तथा प्रलीनस्तमसि मूढयोनिषु जायते। कर्मणः सुकृतस्याहुः सात्विकं निर्मलं फलं रजसस्तु फलं दुःखम् अज्ञानं तमसः फलम्। सत्त्वात् संजायते ज्ञानम् रजसो लोभ एव च प्रमादमोहौ तमसो भवतो ज्ञानमेव च। ऊर्ध्वं गच्छन्ति सत्त्वस्था मध्ये तिष्ठन्ति राजसाः जघन्यगुणवृत्तिस्था अधो गच्छन्ति तामसाः। नान्यं गुणेभ्यः कर्तारम् यदा द्रष्टानुपश्यति गुणेभ्यश्च परं वेत्ति मद्भावं सोऽधिगच्छति। No anyam other gunebhyah than the gunas or the modes of nature kartaram performer of actions yada when drashta a seer anupashyati sees gunebhyah than the gunas cha and param that which is higher vetti knows madbhavam my nature saha such a one adhigacchati attains. गुणानेतानतीत्यत्रीन् देहि देहसमुद्भवान् जन्म मृत्युजरा दुःखैः विमुक्तोऽमृतमश्नुते। गुणान, gunas or qualities, etan, these, atitya, having gone beyond, trin, three, dehi, the embodied one, deha, body, samudbhavan, being the source of, janma, birth, mrityu, death, jara, old age or decay, dukkhaih, pain or misery, vimuktaha, being freed from, amritam, immortality, ashnute, attains. Arjuna uvacha कैर्लिङ्गैस्त्रीन् गुणानेतान् अतीतो भवति प्रभो किमाचारः कथं चैतान् त्रीन् गुणानतिवर्तते। Arjunah, Arjuna, Uvacha, said, Kaihi, by what, Lingaihi, characteristics, Treen, three, Gunan, gunas, Etan, these, Atitaha, gone beyond, Bhavati, has become, Prabho, O Lord, Kim, what, Acharaha, conduct, Katham, how, Cha, and Etan, these, Treen, three, Gunan, gunas, Ativartate, go beyond. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Prakashancha pravrittincha मोहमेव च पाण्डवा न द्वेष्टि सम्प्रवृत्तानि न निवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति। Shri Bhagavan, the Supreme Lord, Uvacha, said, Prakasham, light, Cha, and Pravrittim, activity, Cha, and Moham, delusion, Eva, indeed or even, Cha, and Pandava, O Arjuna, the son of Pandu, Na, does not, Dveshti, hate, Sampravrittani, when present or as they arise, Na, does not, nivrittani, when absent or as they disappear, kankshati, long for. Udasina vadasino gunairyo na vichalyate गुणा वर्तन्त इत्येवम् योऽवतिष्ठति नेङ्गते। Udasinavath, as if unconcerned. Asinaha, remains. Gunaihi, by the gunas. Yaha, one who. Na, does not. Vichalyate, get disturbed or moved. Gunaha, the gunas. Vartante, which are acting. Iti evam, knowing thus. Yaha, one who. Avatishtati, is established. Na, never. Ingate, wavering. All beings are influenced by the three gunas which predicate their worldly actions. However, the Supreme Lord transcends these gunas, and those who realize this truth attain Him. Undisturbed by the gunas, they remain completely equanimous, always absorbed in the self. Having transcended the gunas, they are released forever from the bondage of birth and death. When a seer sees that the performer of actions is none other than the gunas and knows that which is higher than the gunas, such a one attains my nature. Having gone beyond these three gunas, which are the source of the body, the embodied one gets freed from birth, death, decay and misery and attains immortality. Arjuna asked, O Lord, what are the characteristics of one who has gone beyond these three gunas? What is his conduct and how does he go beyond these three gunas? The Supreme Lord said, O son of Pandu, it is the one who neither hates the light, activity and even delusion as they arise, nor longs for them as they disappear. The one who remains as if unconcerned and does not get disturbed by the gunas, the one who is thus established in the self and never wavering, knowing that it is the gunas which are acting. Nanyang gunebhyah kartaram yada drashtanupashyati gunebhyascha param vetti madbhavam sodhigacchati. Gunanetanatityatrīn dehi deha samudbhavan janma mrityu jara dukkhaihi vimukto mrutamashnute. Arjuna uvacha कैर्लिङ्गैस्त्रीन् गुणानेतान् अतीतो भवति प्रभो किमाचारः कथञ्चैतान् त्रीन् गुणानतिवर्तते. श्रीभगवानुवाच प्रकाशञ्च प्रवृत्तिञ्च मोहमेव च पाण्डवा न द्वेष्टि सम्प्रवृत्तानि न निवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति. उदासीनवदासीनो गुणैर्यो न विचाल्यते गुणा वर्तन्त इत्येवं योऽवतिष्ठति नेङ्गते. ॐ श्री परमात्मने नमः. अथ चतुर्दशोऽध्यायः. गुणत्रयविभागयोगः. नान्यं गुणेभ्यः कर्तारं यदा द्रष्टानुपश्यति गुणेभ्यश्च परं वेत्ति मद्भावं सोऽधिगच्छति। गुणानेतानतीत्यत्रीन् देही देहसमुद्भवान् जन्म मृत्युजरा दुःखैः विमुक्तो मृतमश्नुते। अर्जुन उवाच कैर्लिङ्गैस्त्रीन् गुणानेतान् अतीतो भवति प्रभो किमाचारः कथं चैतान् त्रीन् गुणान् अतिवर्तते। श्रीभगवानुवाच प्रकाशञ्च प्रवृत्तिञ्च मोहमेव च पाण्डवा न द्वेष्टि सम्प्रवृत्तानि न निवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति। उदासीनवदासीनो गुणैर्यो न विचाल्यते गुणा वर्तन्त इत्येवं योऽवतिष्ठति नेङ्गते। समदुःखसुखस्वस्थः समलोष्टाश्मकाञ्चनः तुल्यप्रिया प्रियो धीरः तुल्यनिन्दात्मसंस्तुतिः। Sama, equipoised, dukkha, pain, sukha, pleasure, swastha, established in the self, sama, sees equally, loshta, a lump of earth, ashma, stone, kanchanaha, gold, tulya, equally disposed, priya, dear, apriyaha, undear, dhiraha, one who is steady or determined, tulya, remains the same in ninda, blame or defamation, atma, oneself, samstutihi, praise. मानापमानयोस्तुल्यः तुल्यो मित्रारिपक्षयोः सर्वारम्भपरित्यागी गुणातीतः स उच्यते। माना, honor, apamanayoh, in dishonor, tulyah, equal, tulyah, the same, mitra, friend, ari, enemy, pakshayoh, toward both the sides of, sarva, all, arambha, initiation of actions, parityagi, relinquishing, guna atitaha, gone beyond the gunas, saha, such a one, uchyate, is said to be. Mancha yo vyabhicharena, bhakti yogena sevate, sagunan samatityaitan, ब्रह्म भूयाय कल्पते। Mam, me, cha, and yah, one who, avyabhicharena, by unalloyed or unswerving, bhakti yogena, by devotion, sevate, serves, saha, such a one, gunan, gunas, samatitya, going beyond, etan, these, brahma bhuyaya, the state of Brahman, of becoming Brahman, kalpate, comes to or is suited. Brahmano hi pratisthaham, amritasya vyayasya cha, shashvatasya cha dharmasya, sukhasya ekantikasya cha, Brahmanaha, of Brahman, he, verily or because, pratishtha, the basis, aham, I am, amritasya, of immortal, avyayasya, of imperishable, cha, and shashvatasya, of eternal, cha, and dharmasya, of dharma, sukhasya, of bliss, aikantikasya, absolute or unending, cha, and the one who is equipoised, equanimous, and unattached at all times rises above the influence of the gunas. By being firmly situated in the self and with unflinching devotion to God, one can transcend the three gunas and realize the eternal supreme God, who is the source of unending divine bliss and the basis of the formless Brahman. Equipoised in pleasure and pain, established in the self, who sees a lump of earth, stone, and gold equally, who is equally disposed to dear and undear, who is steady, who remains the same in praise and blame of oneself, who remains equal in honor and dishonor, who is the same towards both friend and enemy, who has relinquished all initiation of actions, such a one is said to have gone beyond the gunas. And the one who serves me with unswerving devotion, going beyond these three gunas, comes to the state of Brahman, for I am verily the basis of Brahman, which is immortal and imperishable, of the eternal dharma and of the absolute unending bliss. Samadukha sukha swasthaha, samaloshtasma kanchanaha, tulya priya priyo dhiraha, tulya nindatma samstutihi, manapamanayostulyah, tulyo चैत्रारिपक्षयोः सर्वारम्भपरित्यागी गुणातीतः स उच्यते। माञ्च यो व्यभिचारेण भक्तियोगेन सेवते सगुणान् समतीत्यैतान् ब्रह्मभूयाय कल्पते। ब्रह्मणो हि प्रतिष्ठाहम् अमृतस्याव्ययस्य च शाश्वतस्य च धर्मस्य सुखस्यैकान्तिकस्य च। ॐ तत्सत् इति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे गुणत्रयविभागयोगो नाम चतुर्दशोऽध्यायः। श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।